Hi guys. So today I'll be showing us how we can save our pap without refrigerating it. Because currently in my area we don't have lights. So I'm going to show you what I do to keep my daughter's pap fresh. Yes, this is the pap. So I'm going to show you what I do to make sure that the thing does not spoil in a week time. Let's go. So the first thing you have to do is to put water. You put your water into a bowl, any kind of water. Yes, you can put it inside a bowl. Then you get your pap. Like me, I usually buy my pap from the markets. So what you have to do, if you don't buy your pap from the markets, you make it at home. You get nylon. Yes, put some portion into the nylon. Then you do what you you tie it very tight so that water will not go inside the nylon, because if water goes inside it will spoil very quick. But if you do it like this, it will stay for a week. It will be like this for a week, it will not spoil. So that's how we're doing. As you're tying, you are dropping it inside the water. So this one they tied it in the market. It's not strong, so I will have to retie it. I'll have to retie. See how strong it is. So if you do it like this, it will last you a week, a week plus, if possible. So this is how I do it. Then after you are done, you keep it in a cool place. Keep it in a cool place so it doesn't spoil.